Hey guys, welcome back to Invisible Strings, where we figure out the
Human
human experience together. So, I'm Gitika.
I'm Supriya and we are your hosts for today's podcast.
We are making
Vision boards.
Yeah.
So vision board has been a very recent thing in my life. Like I just made it for like the previous year. ये रहा मेरे सामने है. I would like to show. It's in a bit of a condition,
A wreck.
but yeah,
A
don't
beautiful
mind.
wreck. A
Don't mind,
beautiful
guys.
wreck.
Don't mind this. Yeah, मैंने उतार दिया था and then I was like, oh shit, मेरे को दिखाना भी तो होगा guys को कि मैंने क्या बनाया है.
Guys.
But yeah, this is what it is. And हम लोगों ने अपने Pinterest पे vision boards already बना लिए थे and आज हमने printouts वगैरह निकाल लिए. And I was thinking it. So, if you are someone who has not made the vision board yet, let me tell you, open Pinterest, have
Make
a diary,
it today.
pick a pen. Yeah,
You're doing it today.
exactly.
You're not delaying it. Stop procrastinating. You can't procrastinate perfection.
Says the people who procrastinate the shit out
Until
of
the
everything
last second.
until it's like 12.
It took us one semester
Yeah,
to come
so-
up with this podcast.
Well, it's okay even if you don't want to. But
Yeah.
if you want to, you can grab your laptop, you can make it digitally and then maybe take printouts. Or if you're someone who has not made their their vision board yet, let's do it together.
So we have our supplies. I brought these sheets.
We have a
And-
scissor.
Yeah.
We have
cut out our
a
pictures.
singular glue.
Singular glue.
एंड गीतिका ने तो अपना पूरा अच्छे से मतलब वो उसको
Layout
लगा लिया है बहुत
कर
सुंदर
लिया है.
तरीके से.
अब बस
I
चिपकाना
am
है.
still I have just collected this pictures. Yeah.
So we also have very different opinions about vision boards. So like you think that if you have a vision board, it manifests into your life.
yeah.
But I think that vision boards just give you like a goal and you manifest it yourself. Like I don't think the universe manifests it for you. So that's what we were
Mine
saying
is
कि हम
like
दोनों
the
के
mix.
opinion.
Mine is like a mix की if you like look at it every day, like I stick up मेरे ऐसे बिल्कुल कमरे में सामने, like when I wake up I consciously and unconsciously मेरी आंखें obviously वहीं जाती हैं. This is my bed and that's where I stick up the vision board. तो unconsciously somewhere when I look at it every day I get that idea, okay, this is what I have to do with my life. I promised myself this is what my life should be.
Yeah.
And I feel like manifestation can only work if you work for it.
Yeah.
Like ऐसा नहीं है कि तुम अपने मतलब तुम कुछ कर नहीं रहे and then you're like, oh my god, I just manifested it. No.
Yeah, oh my god, universe loves me.
Every video that I have watched and universe loves me, but it'll only
Yeah.
love me until I love
Yeah,
them
yeah,
and it's only until I work. तो it's like कि मैंने जितनी भी वीडियोस देखी थी क्योंकि पहली बार विजन बोर्ड ट्राई करने से पहले I was like, okay, what is it? मतलब सब लोग बना रहे हैं क्या है. मतलब 2023 के एंड में oh my god, विजन बोर्ड बना रहे हैं and I was like, let's give it a very subtle try. What if it comes true?
Yeah.
तो मेरे विजन बोर्ड में पिछली बार क्या मैंने बहुत सारे डांस की पिक्चर्स चिपकाई थी एंड लाइक 2-3 आई थिंक माउंटेन्स की पिक्चर है, थोड़ी थोड़ी साइकोलॉजी की है एंड मोस्टली डांस था एंड नो bragging or anything and nothing to be वो कि I am speaking highly of myself या ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है, but I did went to my first trek ever. I did had a whole month full of dancing with a lot of opportunities. I did go to AIMS for a mental health festival and I was like a anchor. And then I did work out. I did not consistently work out, but yes, I did get into it.
Yeah.
So I think it worked for me like 90%. कहीं पे जैसे I also wanted to add like social media consistency for me. Like I dance, so I wanted to add like कि being more like regular with content. I did upload some good videos, but again, it was not very consistent.
Yeah.
So that's why कि like if you work towards something, it comes to you.
Yeah. If you truly want something, you will get it. Like I don't think कि कई बार लोग कहते हैं कि I can't do this because I don't have the talent for it or I don't have the ability for it. I do feel like ki you can make talent, you know, like if you just consistently work on something, I feel like you can do it on a level
True.
that you consider talent.
True guys, very true.
Yeah.
तो मतलब फिर इस साल I did it and unconsciously during some parts of the year I was like, okay, this is what it looks up here and this is what my life is looking like. There was some like क्या बोलते हैं इसको,
Click.
parallels between what I manifested and what I wanted to happen and what was actually happening.
Yeah.
And दूसरी चीज जो I think it does for you is it also makes you feel very grateful and it makes you like look at what you have achieved. क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि people क्या हम लोग, मैं लोग, गीतिका, मेरे, हम सबके साथ एक हुआ है कि we do stuff and then we long for more. We should.
Yeah.
But then we forget what we have already done.
Accomplished.
इस पे गीतिका तुम अच्छे से बोलो. I feel like you have a lot to say on this.
Yeah,
Please
it's
do.
like, you know, you as someone who is a very ambitious person, and like everyone I know is a very ambitious person. Page dekho.
Anyone who's very professional for podcast,
Yeah.
I'm
What is
sorry.
professionalism?
I am sorry. We are doing this for fun.
Yeah. So, you know, I have seen this in myself कि जो बहुत ज़्यादा बड़े सपने देखता है, सपने देखना अच्छी बात है, और it's just कि you work so hard towards something and you then achieve it, but then it's like the process was so stressful and you worked so hard for it कि when you achieve it, you're just like, हाँ, मतलब इतनी मेहनत करी, इतना कुछ देखा, इतना सोचा, ओवरथिंक करा, इतना करा, but then the reward is not that fulfilling, and then you just move on to the next thing to stress about, the next big thing you want to do, and then you start like despite achieving a lot पीछे कि अगर तुमने इतने, अब तुमने 10 गोल अपने लिए रखे थे और तुमने 8 अचीव कर लिए, but because you were just always focused on the next big thing, you don't take those 8 things into account, and then you fail at 2 things, or you're not able to complete 2 things, and then suddenly that's your entire personality, that's just who you are. And I think कि मेरा vision board से ये था कि I had heard about it a lot, like बहुत टाइम से, back in 2017 से मैंने बहुत सुन रखा है vision board, but I never made it, कि पता नहीं क्यों, like I always wanted to but I never made it. और इस बार क्या हुआ, पिछले सेमेस्टर में सुप्रिया से ही बात कर रही थी, मेरा थोड़ा ना ब्रेक डाउन हो गया था क्योंकि इट वॉज रिलेटेड टू करियर, एंड इट वॉज अ पॉइंट वेयर आई वाज लाइक कि मुझे लगा मैंने सब कुछ फिगर आउट कर लिया है, बट देन एट द एंड ऑफ द डे आई एम जस्ट 20, आई हैव नॉट फिगर्ड एवरीथिंग आउट. तो वो बहुत ब्लेटेंट रियलाइजेशन हुआ था उस समय, और तब मेरे को सुप्रिया गई थी कि नहीं यार, विजन बोर्ड होना चाहिए, because not only does it give you a direction कि नहीं मुझे अपनी जिंदगी में ये चाहिए, so when you feel lost you can just look at it and be like कि नहीं यार, अगर ये सब बेकार चल रहा है, मेरे को ये चाहिए था और मैं ये कर रही हूँ, so you know that gives you a boost in your self efficacy, in your self esteem.
True, I mean like even if it मतलब ठीक है, बहुत लोगों के अलग एक्सपीरियंसेस है. Like recently I have started to see on social media that many people are posting that their vision boards did not come true or things like, and I feel like that's perfectly okay.
Yeah.
Because मतलब जितना easy ऐसा लगता है ना कि we set goals and then we complete them, उतना easy नहीं होता. It's a very simple process कि अपनी goal की तरफ काम करो, but then there are a lot of things. You are a human, you have like a dynamic interface, user interface काफी आपका विचित्र और काफी changing है. So I don't think
what was that word, विचित्र?
never mind guys.
गंदा look.
Yeah, ये थोड़े वो नहीं होते अंग्रेजी बच्चे, वो है ये थोड़े बच्चा. उसके आगे नहीं आता हुआ तुझे, मुझे भी नहीं आता. Sorry हिंदी मैम, but yeah, sorry. हमें हिंदी जबकि पढ़ाया भी है कॉलेज में, तब पर का नहीं पढ़ाया था, मतलब
वो
नॉट विजन बोर्ड्स. तो मतलब आई फील लाइक विजन बोर्ड्स also make you very confident in yourself.
Yeah.
Like if you मतलब ऐसा होता है ना कि तुम्हें पता है कि तुम्हें ये आउटपुट चाहिए, और जब वो आउटपुट तुम्हें मिल जाए तुम्हें लगता है यार वाओ मैंने कर लिया. एंड
मैं तोप हूँ.
हाँ, और ऐसा हो सकता है कि तुम विजन बोर्ड ना भी बनाओ, देन ऑल्सो यू आर लाइक गेटिंग योर गोल्स.
Yeah.
And we appreciate it. We are proud of you for achieving your goals.
I mean, so many people achieve it without
Yeah.
making vision boards.
Obviously,
It's
हमारे
not
घर वालों ने कोई
necessary.
vision
Why?
boards नहीं बनाए थे, तब तक ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. They
Why?
just उनका विजन यही था कि भाई एक घर हो, एक
Why?
स्टेबल लाइफ हो, and they did it भाई.
Yeah, and it's not a magic pill to achieve everything you
True.
want.
मतलब, but then again, it has a magical part to it. The way the accomplishment makes you feel, and when you look, because जब साल स्टार्ट होता है ना तो हमें लगता है कि ये साल बहुत बड़ा होगा, पर जैसे जैसे वो खत्म होता है ना, इट फील्स एज इफ इट वाज जस्ट अ ब्लिंक.
वही.
इफ आई फील गीतिका, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि कॉलेज तो अभी शुरू हुआ था और अभी वी आर इन द 5th सेमेस्टर, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि इट जस्ट वेंट अवे.
August slipped away into
या वैसे
Copyright भी
Swiftie
होना.
मैं हूँ, पर इसके मुंह से गाने निकल रहा है, सो
Yeah.
दैट्स जस्ट माय इन्फ्लुएंस गाइस.
Yeah.
हाँ, तो मतलब it makes you feel a very magical, nostalgic, confident sort of vibe, because you look at it and you're like, oh wow, I achieved all this.
Yeah.
Even though now I think बहुत से लोगों को लगता है हमने इस साल किया ही क्या, but then when you look at the things you achieve,
Why? It
Amazing.
helps like manage that, you know, sense of doubt, that sense of
true.
in achievement वगैरह.
मुझे
It's
तो
like
ये
a
लगता है.
journal, but like for your future, and then you
हाँ.
come to the future, and then it's for your past.
मुझे तो ये बहुत स्ट्रांगली लगता है, क्योंकि आई हैव हैड एक्सपीरियंसेस वेयर आई हैव, जब कॉलेज शुरू हुआ था, आई वाज सो इनटू एवरीथिंग. मैं ये इंटर्नशिप भी कर रही हूँ, यहाँ भी जा रही हूँ, एंड इट्स जस्ट माय फर्स्ट ईयर. ओके, आई एम गोइंग हियर, आई एम गोइंग देयर, आई एम डूइंग दिस एंड एक पॉइंट पे आई एम सो बर्न आउट दैट आई एम नॉट इवन रियलाइजिंग एंड आई एम नॉट इवन एंजॉइंग व्हाट आई एम डूइंग. आई एम जस्ट
Yeah.
लाइक आई एम एंजॉइंग, बट आई एम नॉट गिविंग माई सेल्फ इनफ क्रेडिट फॉर डूइंग इट.
Yeah.
ठीक है, और मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि बस मैं करी जा रही थी, और एक पॉइंट पे मेरे लिए वो अचीवमेंट बनना ही बंद हो गया था. मतलब मुझे कुछ स्पेशल ही नहीं लग रहा था
Yeah.
कि, और ये नहीं है कि मतलब बहुत लोग को ऐसा लगता है कि आजकल की जनरेशन दे प्रेज देमसेल्व्स टू मच. ऐसा नहीं है. ओके, आई एम वेल ग्राउंडेड इन रियलिटी, बट व्हेन आई डोंट गिव माई सेल्फ इनफ अचीवमेंट, आई गो अंडरग्राउंड.
Yeah.
आई डोंट वांट टू गो अंडरग्राउंड. दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग कि ये जैसे if I tell you about my 2023 वाला साल ना, I did a lot of things, but at the end of the year ना, I was not, मतलब I did not know what I had achieved.
Yeah.
And ये बहुत वैसी चीज लगेगी बोलने में sad, but I was actually like, मैंने क्या किया इस साल?
Yeah.
And then I had to open my gallery and look at what I all did. But
Yeah.
yeah, you know, that's a vision board is just and 2024 में it was different. I looked at it and I was like, yeah, this
Yeah.
was my life. I did this. So I think vision boards work that way very nicely. गीतिका ने अपना चिपका भी लिया है अच्छे से फोटोज,
क्योंकि मुझे घर भागना है एक्चुअली.
ये सब नहीं बताएंगे हम पॉडकास्ट पे.
Okay.
अपने इश्यूज नहीं बताएंगे.
Yeah.
हम बताएंगे अपने इश्यूज. तो
अभी पुराने पूरी इश्यूज बताते हुए, but yes.
या तो मतलब
हाँ.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है बहुत सारे लोग आर लाइक वेरी एक्सपर्ट इन मेकिंग विजन बोर्ड्स और ऐसे
Yeah.
लाइक एक जो चीज जो मुझे गीतिका ने बताई, जो मुझे नहीं पता थी, बट अपेरेंटली वो मेरे विजन बोर्ड में थी कि लाइक देयर शुड बी अ कोट इन बिटवीन व्हाट यू लाइक
like a word or something in the center that is the motto for like the year.
या तो मेरा था कि लाइक व्हाट इफ इट ऑल वर्क्स आउट,
And
बिकॉज़
it did.
तो और ये मुझे गीतिका ने अभी 2-3 दिन पहले बताया कि
हाँ.
कोई विजन बोर्ड के बीच में ना ऐसा होना चाहिए. तो लाइक आई थिंक देयर आर लॉट ऑफ ग्रेट पीपल दैट पुट अप वीडियोस फॉर लाइक
Right.
विजन बोर्ड्स एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट, एंड आई लव them.
Love.
They have just made it easier for us. But हाँ, मतलब from our side, Invisible String will recommend you to
Yeah,
make
a
vision boards. Oh, Gitika, Invisible String and like vision boards have kind of a connecting wall
True,
between them.
true.
Because like what you seek is already
हाँ,
seeking you,
हाँ,
and
and
जो
vision.
तुम vision बना रहे हो
Yeah.
and with my reality, it's kind of connected with the string.
And जो हम दोनों ने
See-
explanation दी है of vision board is also similar to हम दोनों की explanation to invisible strings.
See,
Like
it
she
all
said
connects.
it was meant to be, and I said that, you know,
It eventually
it happened.
happens meant
Yeah.
to be.
so
Yeah.
two different people kind of talking about the same thing but also not.
Yeah. तो हाँ, like काफी विजन बोर्ड इज अ गुड थिंग मेरे ओपिनियन में.
Yeah.
मुझे ऐसा
And I
लगता
feel
है.
like a lot of people also don't put up vision boards because they are embarrassed of showing that to their family. कि
हाँ.
I have goals but I don't want to show that to my family.
इंडिया में रहकर मैं
Yeah,
कह सकती हूँ
yeah.
ऐसा. मतलब हर फैमिली में नहीं, बट आई थिंक
क्योंकि मैंने भी कुछ लोगों से बात करी है and I have heard that कई बार.
Yeah, like many people, if they want like a good body or like they
Yeah,
want
yeah.
like
And I feel like some
anything.
families will ridicule you for having
क्योंकि
goals.
ऑब्वियसली भाई हमारे मम्मी पापा की जनरेशन को नहीं पता ये सब विजन बोर्ड
वही,
क्या होता है.
वही.
हमें खुद अभी पता चला
ये
है
ई का चोचलेबाजी.
भाई ये क्या है भाई. ऑब्वियसली उनको ऐसा लगेगा.
हाँ.
बट या इफ
I
I
think-
would suggest
Yeah,
to
if
communicate.
you can, if you can, just
हाँ.
convince your parents that you know what.
It's not even about convincing. Like if you can't stick up on your like wall or something, just keep it as your wallpaper or something.
Yeah, on your phone, laptop,
Where there is a way, there
print it
are-
out and put it
Oh,
in your
shit.
journal.
Where there is a will, there is always a way. I stutter too much, guys.
You know, it's
I
fine.
say wrong things bad.
bad things.
I say wrong
I
things.
say wrong things.
Because I get
ऐसे बोल रहे जैसे
confused.
पता नहीं क्या तुम कोर्ट में बैठ के तुमने क्या बोल दिया गलत.
Yeah. Still it's a podcast.
Your
भाई, कोई
Honor.
सुन रहा है, but yeah.
हमें प्रोफेशनल रखना चाहिए.
नहीं चुप. Shut up. Don't. हाँ तो या मुझे ऐसा ही लगता है. गीतिका, what is the one thing that you wanna tell your 2025 self? Only one sentence. Like when you
Stop
look back.
doubting yourself.
Bam. Guys,
I do
अपना भी
that a
सोचो,
lot.
please. अगर इस वीडियो तक कोई 2-4 भी हमारे लॉयल व्यूअर्स है, प्लीज कमेंट सेक्शन में डालना कि what's like the
Yeah.
one thing we would love to hear about that.
Exactly.
What's like the one thing you would like to tell to your 2025 selves, and even like your experiences or thoughts on vision boards. We would love, absolutely love
Yeah.
to have those in our comment sections or even on our Instagram DMs or Gmail, however you want to
We
communicate.
have a Gmail. You know, you can be professional when we are not.
Greetings, madam.
Ma'am, sir.
Sir, तो कोई
This
नहीं
is
है.
in reference to
This is
your
reference to
podcast
the
episode.
episode 2. Come make vision boards with us. Yeah, mazak apart, but yeah, we would love to hear your opinion.
Yeah.
And something that I would like to tell my 2025 self is
One sentence.
just go for it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah. I agree.
just go for it. Don't think too much. Life is too short to think a lot.
Life is too short and too unserious. Like we are just blobs in a planet, in a universe.
Exactly,
Like no
like-
one cares.
Exactly, no one cares. पता है टीनेज में you feel this sense कि
हाँ.
oh shit, no one cares.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
And then you grow up and you're like,
And you're like, no
No
one
one
cares. And that's like the best part.
Yeah.
I love how vision board से हम teenage में slip करते हैं. Guys, ये next
guys,
episode
foreshadowing,
बताऊंगा.
foreshadowing.
ये next yeah,
Yeah.
that's how we connected. और ये बहुत unconsciously हुआ. मैं सोच नहीं रही थी कि मैं ये बोलने वाली हूँ, but ये बहुत
हाँ.
flow में निकला मेरे से. तो हाँ,
Yes.
vision boards are fun.
Also,
and- yeah.
I want to talk about resolutions. Because I feel
yeah.
like that's connected to vision boards.
Yeah, how as kids we used to have like those notebooks,
Yeah.
diaries, and first page. I will agree and I will be obedient to my parents.
Oh my God.
I
तुम
will
कैसे
eat
resolution-
healthy food.
ये
I
क्या चल
will
रहा है?
ऐसे लिखते थे हम.
मैंने नहीं कभी लिखा. तुम कौन सी दुनिया की बात कर रही हो?
भाई तूने ऐसे resolutions. You don't have a childhood की तरह.
Oh.
I just said that. Your parents gonna hear that. They're
Yeah.
gonna hate me for this. But I said what I said.
Now you're different.
तुम क्या resolutions में लिखती थी?
मैं
बचपन
रेजोल्यूशंस
की बात
लिखती
कर-
नहीं थी. मैं बस सोचती थी कि ओके I'll do. You know, I don't actually remember the last time I wrote resolutions. I don't think I ever like concretely wrote resolution. मुझे एक बार याद है मैं 8th क्लास में थी. मैं 12 बजे किसी शादी से आए थे हम. न्यू ईयर था एंड मेरे दिमाग में ये था कि जो 12 बजे करते हैं ना वो जिंदगी वो पूरे साल
ये मैं
वही
भी
करते हैं.
believe करती हूँ.
और
मेरी
मैंने
मम्मा
अपनी
मुझे अपनी
ज्योमेट्री
बोलती
की
है.
कॉपी निकाली. सब थक हार के आए हैं. मैंने अपनी कॉपी निकाल के ज्योमेट्री कर रही हूँ मैं.
Now, if any day Gitiska says she's not a studious and a topper student, I'm gonna smash this part of the video right into her face, guys.
I was not a
Right
topper
into
at
her
that
face.
point.
Shut up.
Like, I was
This is
not
a very
doing-
studious things to do. तो मैं बाहर जाके खेलना शुरू कर दी थी कि पूरे साल खेलूंगी. वाओ. मेरी मम्मी ने कितनी बार मुझे गाइस नहला दिया है 1 जनवरी को कि जो 1 जनवरी को नहीं नहाता फिर वो पूरे साल पर बदबूदार रहता है और मैं जाके नहा रही हूँ. बहुत बुरा हुआ है.
Wow.
बट मतलब अब आई स्टार्ट टू सी ऑब्वियसली ये ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि तुम पहले यू कैन चेंज योर लाइफ एट एनी
Yeah, yeah.
गिवन टाइम. बट आई स्टार्ट टू सी लाइक सेंस between this ki like start developing the habits you want to see.
Yeah, set yourself up for success.
Exactly. ये मतलब शायद तरीका थोड़ा बचकाना
थोड़ा
था.
casual हो गया.
क्योंकि obviously जब बच्चे थे तो they'll not start hitting habits. My mom would have not explained me like this and I would not have even understood. But abhi I do realize like the importance of how they said like have like do
Yeah.
wait guys lag
Yeah, do
lag
good.
time. Like have good habits from the start so you develop them by like the end of the year.
Yeah.
So मतलब resolutions, vision boards, I think it's amazing. Like it guides you.
What is your opinion on people who are like कि अरे न्यू ईयर रेजोल्यूशन न्यू ईयर के लिए इतना क्यों एक्साइटेड होना, एक अगला दिन अगला महीना अगला साल ही तो है, नॉर्मल दिन ही तो है.
I think I understand them,
Yeah.
but I'm not like them.
Yeah. I feel like you should not, you know, there are people who take it to the extreme and make fun of people who are excited for the new year.
Yeah, you should
And it's
not do
like-
that. Of
yeah.
course. Of course you should not do that.
Like just because that's not your cup of tea doesn't mean it's not someone else's.
yeah.
Don't be, you know, a bad person. To put it nicely.
Oh my god, a bad person.
The filter is on.
That turned into a 5th class value moral
Don't be,
education class quickly from a podcast.
don't be an evil mustache looking, oil company looking CEO.
Oh my god, what if someone's hearing this podcast and they don't like the idea of vision board? No, but if you
Yeah.
don't like the idea of vision board, you should not like make fun of anybody
Yeah.
who's making a vision board.
Let people exist.
And,
Live and let
honestly, even if you make fun of them, it's gonna get you nothing. Like it's
Yeah.
gonna like, give you just some temporary complex feelings, but I don't think
live. It's not worth it.
it's exactly.
Find your own happiness. Don't ruin other people's.
Damn.
Ta-na-na.
तो
और
हाँ.
मेरा इसी के साथ आखिरी पिक्चर चिपकते हुए
या सो गीतिका तूने तो बना दिया है. मुझे तो अभी
शुरू
मेरे
करना है.
2024 का वो भी लिखना है एक रीकैप टाइप. तो आई एम न्यू टू दिस तो मैं ऐसे बोल के लिख नहीं सकती साथ में. ओह माय गॉड गाइस गीतिका का बहुत
Overview.
सुंदर
You
लग
want
रहा
an
था.
overview?
बहुत सुंदर लग रहा है गाइस गीतिका का. तो विजन बोर्ड
Vision board. I'll go home and write vision board. Thank
वाओ
you.
गाइस.
चलो एक का विजन बोर्ड तो इस वीडियो में करेंगे.
ट्रू गाइस. और अगर हमारे साथ
And
भी
we are
कोई
the
बना
same
रहा
person,
है
so it's
and-
fine.
And अगर हमारे साथ भी कोई बना रहा है and you have completed this, or even if you have like a little bit of thought कि wow I should also make vision
हाँ.
boards, ये लोग कितने अच्छे
Tell
हैं.
your process
तो-
of how you make your vision boards.
Oh,
क्योंकि मैं तो बहुत सिंपल, मेरे दिमाग में गोल्स होता है, but I see you write down.
okay, yeah. So for anybody who's trying it out for the first time, let me narrow down it for you. So what I do is I get a diary and I get a pen and I think about what I want the next year to look like. ठीक है. और ये ना एक obviously एक ऐसे झटके से नहीं आ जाता.
हाँ.
This goes on in my head from like a week.
Yeah.
Okay, this is what I did this year. This is what I want to improve the next year. Slow,
What we were talking about before technical issues.
टेक्निकल इश्यूज अब मैं बताऊं क्या थे. गीतिका के फोन की स्पेस खत्म हो गई थी. बट आई कैन रिलेट.
Yeah.
हाँ तो फटाफट से मैं बताती हूँ कि ज्यादा लंबा नहीं खींचना पसंद हमें पॉडकास्ट
हाँ.
क्योंकि कुछ भी बोले जा रहे हैं.
Hmm.
या
Yeah.
आफ्टर स्पीकिंग फॉर लाइक
Yeah.
25 minutes I'm saying ज्यादा लंबा नहीं खींचते बट या. तो I write down what I want in a very simple is I write down and then I see like the similarities and then I categorize like physical health के बारे में मैं लिख दूंगी active life जैसे मैंने इस बार लिखा है active lifestyle best of my body and like a clear mind. तो ये मेरा एक physical उसमें आ जाएगा. तो then I'll go Pinterest and I'll search. फिर जैसे डांस और कंटेंट के लिए आ जाएगा मेरा कि रेगुलर कंटेंट जो मैंने इतने आइडियाज रखे हैं उनको इम्प्लीमेंट करना. देन आई गो एंड आई लुक एट लाइक कथक की फोटोज एंड लाइक वैसे डांस परफॉर्मेंसेज एंड कंटेंट शूट करने वाली चीजें. देन लाइक दिस पॉडकास्ट
Same.
this podcast. So I put that podcast की एक वो I like wrote कि okay I want to start Invisible String podcast. So ऐसे just don't think about it too much. It's you.
Yeah.
It's about you. So you don't have to announce it to the whole world.
Yeah.
I mean I am doing it because I'm on the podcast. Else किसी और को नहीं पता चलता obviously मेरा vision board क्या है and what I want in my life. It's your life. Take in charge. Make your vision boards. And I hope सबका vision board complete हो. Everyone has like a amazing year. And
Tag
yeah,
us
even
if you make your vision board. Tag us on Instagram. I mean, eventually we'll have people who watch it.
Yeah.
And you go back for the first episode. So tag us.
yeah. So yeah, I just want to say that. And even if things don't go well, life always has a plenty of chances.
Yeah.
So don't
There's
worry.
a quote by Charlie Chaplin that life is a tragedy in close up, but a comedy in long run. You will always think about something.
Wow.
And you'll be like-
this is a perfect ending line.
Yeah.
You'll always.
Yeah. So life is a tragedy in close up and a comedy in long run.
आगे तो बोलो.
So you'll always think that something is you'll always think कि something is very मतलब हाय मेरी जिंदगी पूरी बदल गई when it's happening, but then it's gone and then you just laugh about it. जैसे आज मेरा पैर मुड़ा.
And I was surprised because मेट्रो के अंदर घुस चुकी है और उसके बाद गीतिका गिर रही है.
भाग भी नहीं रही थी मैं, पहले भाग रही थी
And
रील
then
में और तब नहीं
Gitika,
गिरी.
yeah, exactly. And then उसके बाद अभी we are doing this podcast, so
Yeah.
you know,
and
it
now
gets
it's funny.
better.
At that point I was about to faint, but now it's funny.
It was not funny to me at all, guys. I was suffering.
So thank you so much for watching.
This is Invisible String signing out, and you'll find us exclusively on Spotify and YouTube. Bye bye.
Bye bye.